Good morning. Today we are going to an ice skate. Never go on a trip without going on an ice skate, guys. And this is our transportation. It's humongous.
The lava pit actually reaches a little bit further than the rim. That's only like 60-70 kilometers away from us. And also this lava field, all the pseudo craters around the lake, all the islands in the lake, bring your feet around that hill and go to the right hand side. Oh, now you can get on your back as well. You probably have to push it up.
We were literally in there.
Okay.
Now we're walking
Good
back.
idea. Yeah.
My sister?
But guys, when you're going up
Did you
here,
have fun? Yes.
feel like when we go.
That was our first
between the
cave
cactuses,
exploration.
so
Yeah.
we'll be somewhere halfway around up there.
Noted? What pants? Oh, yeah. And if you get waterproof pants, don't get them from Walmart. And wool socks. Wool socks. We have wool socks, we just didn't have and waterproof gloves. Everything waterproof. Yeah, we did. My gloves, yeah, they were not waterproof, so I had to take them off. Here we go. We're going upstairs.
We gone day 5 without lunch. Only soup for breakfast.
We had our protein bars. More people are coming. All Game of Thrones fans. We're currently about to go into this cave back here, which is where they filmed Jon Snow and the Wildling doing it in the hot spring. A lot of people here. Let's go.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, alright.
I can see it. It smells like eggs.
Second cave hunting, Jen. I feel like I'm on an episode of Cave Hunters. On this episode, we explore a cave in Iceland. It smells like eggs. There's John. I want to touch it. What's happening in this episode of Cave Hunters?
In this place, Game of Thrones happened here. In the steaming 105-degree water. Now, to escape, you have to go through that route in that little hole. I will show you the way. You have to be careful not to slip or fall.
What's everyone looking at? Careful. We are at the Myvatn natural baths, which are literally in the middle of nowhere. And I'm leaving my vlog camera here, and we are switching over to the GoPro. Let's do this. Are you excited?
Oh yeah, popping my pimple. Oh, sorry. Hello.
See you there. fingers.
Pruny fingers.
Pruny fingers. Jen thought I said Hitler something.
No, pretty fingers. I thought you said pretty fingers.
Oh yes, pretty pruny fingers. We just finished our first hot spring.
We stick like eggs.
We stink like eggs for sure. It was so fun. We were super relaxed now.
And smooth.
And super smooth, wrinkly.
This is I'll just go this way.
And we look like we're about to drive off a cliff. But we have an hour and a half-ish.
18 minutes.
Yep.
Not bad.
We have a little bit of time and we're gonna head home and end the night.
Eat some pasta.
And tomorrow we have another adventure. Till tomorrow. This is what I imagine the end of the world to be like. Where they put toxic fumes out there to try to kill you. Oh! It's when you get a whiff of it, you're like, oh, I forgot where I am.